Homeowners love faux wood blinds because they provide the luxurious style of real wood, but with greater durability at a fraction of the cost. Thanks to a unique blend of function, style, and price, faux wood blinds are a jack of all trades when it comes to window blinds. You'll be able to match almost any style of decor on any budget. Choose from economy options or premium looks to suit your exact needs. Faux wood blinds are built to endure just about anything your home can throw at them. They can withstand both scratches and heat, and won't warp or fade even under the most extreme conditions. If you need a blind that is resistant to both moisture and humidity, faux wood blinds protect against both, making them the ideal choice for bathrooms. Faux wood blinds offer timeless style, and you can even get a wood grain look with realistic stains and wood texture. It's the best way to achieve the beauty and feel of wood without breaking the bank. In addition to hardwood stains, you can choose from solid colors, whites, and neutrals to pair with any room tone. Because they're made from PVC, faux wood blinds are among the easiest blinds to clean. Simply wipe down each slat with a wet or dry cloth, or use one of our special Easy Clean dusters to take care of several slats at once. A variety of slat sizes means you can match your faux wood blinds to any window, large or small. The slats on faux wood blinds can be tilted for adjustable light control while still preserving your view. Beyond colors and stains, faux wood blinds can be tailored for your home with convenient lift options and stylish upgrades for the design-minded. You can raise and lower your faux wood blinds with the touch of a finger, thanks to the cordless lift option. Plus, it removes the potential for unsightly tangled cords. If you want to make your room darker, faux wood blinds can be upgraded with routeless slats. Routeless blinds eliminate the visible holes where the cords pass through, giving you more privacy and blocking more light at the window. Cloth tape gives your faux wood blinds a decorative upgrade with a variety of fabrics and colors to complement any style. They also cover route holes for greater privacy and room darkening. While faux wood blinds lend the appearance of real hardwood, they're not quite an exact replica. So if style is your biggest concern, you might want to order some samples of real wood blinds to see the difference for yourself. Due to their construction, faux wood blinds are actually heavier than their wooden counterparts. For this reason, they're not recommended for very large windows, as it makes them more difficult to install and operate. Faux wood blinds protect from the heat in the summer, but they won't be the most energy-efficient blind for your buck during the winter months. If lowering heating and cooling bills is a priority, you may want to consider a different window treatment. Blinds.com offers the perfect faux wood blind to decorate your home with the look of wood on any budget. Explore our full selection now to see which one is right for you. And if you need help choosing your perfect window covering, call 1-800-505-1905 to use our free design consulting services. Our expert designers are ready and waiting to help today.